during the 16th week of pregnancy. You are now in the second trimester of pregnancy since the week 13. So let's begin with the weight of the baby. Till week 15, the baby weighed around 70 grams, while in week 16, that is this week, the baby weighs around 99 grams. Last week, the length of the baby was around 4 inches, while this week, the baby's length is around 4.6 inches. The baby is now able to kick its legs, which are longer than the arms, and the baby is swinging its arms as it floats. As we already spoke about in week 15, the baby can also hear you now. And as weeks go by, it can only hear you better now as the bones of the ears are developing. It is also more sensitive to light now, and there have been instances where babies have been observed protecting their eyes with their hands when the mom is exposed to bright lights. The baby is also breathing on its own now. It is able to inhale or exhale the surrounding amniotic fluid. This week, the baby also begins to build fat underneath the skin, which would act as insulin, which is important to regulate sugar levels. The baby is also growing hair, eyelashes and eyebrows, and it is forming taste buds too. The facial muscles of the baby too continue to develop, allowing it to make all kinds of different facial expressions. All the internal organs of the baby are also continuing to develop. The urinary and circulatory systems also are functioning. The heart is beating almost twice to thrice our heart would beat, along with pumping blood. The nervous system too continues to develop, allowing the muscles in the baby's limbs to flex. And around this time, the baby's hands can also reach each other. In fact, the baby's hands can also form a fist and hold each other when they touch. So hopefully, the baby is happy swinging its arms and kicking its legs in the sea-like amniotic fluid inside you. And we hope you too are healthy and fine along with your baby. That was all I could tell you about the 16th week development of the baby inside you. So being the 17th week of pregnancy, you may be more comfortable now and may be dealing more easily with the symptoms too. You may also start to show by now, looking more like a pregnant woman than like a woman who is overeating. So coming back to the baby's growth and development, this week the baby would weigh around 165 grams, while last week it weighed around 99 grams. Coming to the baby's length, this week it would be around 5.1 inches, while last week it was around 4.6 inches. Talking about the head doesn't look as large anymore, and this is because of the continued growth of the arms and the legs. So your baby is looking more and more normal now. The baby now has eyelashes, and loud noises can easily startle your baby, as its sense of hearing is developing rapidly. The bones are fully formed and the ears have moved into their final resting spot on the sides of the head. In this week, adipose tissue, which helps to regulate the body temperature, develops. Its main role is to store energy in the form of fat, although it also cushions and insulates the body. So we can say that fat is starting to fill out the baby's body to keep it warm, and by the time the baby is born, fat will account for 2/3 of the baby's body weight. The baby is also growing a thicker, stronger umbilical cord, which is also growing in length. And along with all these, all the other organs too continue to develop along with the nervous system. Urinary and circulatory systems are also functioning, and the baby is also breathing on its own. So all your baby's systems are in place, and with you taking good care of yourself, they have to be. So that was all I could tell you about the 17th week development of your baby. At 18th week. As I already told you last week, you may be beginning to show through your tummy that you are pregnant now. And you must feel proud and happy about this, as this is a sign that the baby is growing well. Coming back to the baby's growth, While last week the baby weighed around 165 grams, this week, that is in the 18th week, the baby would weigh around 190 grams. And the length of the baby, while it was 5.1 last week, this week it would be around 5.6 inches. As we also already saw last week, the baby's head is also coming to normal slowly now, and this is because of the arms and the legs growing. Along with the other internal organs developing and functioning, the baby's bones ossify. Now, ossification is nothing but deposition of calcium in the bones, which also hardens and strengthens them. Ossification affects the legs first. The bones in the inner ears also harden, and your baby's hearing becomes more acute. Now, the baby is not only familiar with the sound of your beating heart and rushing blood, it is also conscious of noises from the outside world. They filter through the bones forming in its ear and its developing brain. You may find that your baby starts to kick and react to loud sounds as the part of the brain that sends and receives nerve signals develop. The baby's sense of sight also continues to evolve. The retinas are more sensitive to light, and if you were to go under a hot sun, the baby would perceive a red glow. The baby is yawning, swallowing, sucking, hiccuping and making faces. It's also twisting, rolling and punching. And it is big enough that you may feel it doing so. So the baby is moving around and doing things such as crossing its legs, bending its limbs and joints, and also maybe doing somersaults at times. That was all I could tell you about the 18th week development of the baby during pregnancy. During the week 19, it's almost the middle of the pregnancy now, and as the days are going by, you may be becoming more and more comfortable. And now, coming to the development of the baby at week 19, let's begin with the height and weight. Last week, that is in week 18, baby's height was around 5.6 inches, and in this week, baby's height is around 6 inches. Last week, baby's weight was around 190 grams, while this week it is around 241 grams. Coming to the head, arms and the legs, they are now more in proportion to the rest of the body. Coming to the further development of the baby's scalp now produces hair. The baby's hearing is almost fully developed. Its gums have tooth buds, and throughout its body, rubbery cartilage is turning into bone. The motor neurons between the muscles and the brain are connecting, giving the baby more control over its movements. So the baby kicks, rolls and stretches whenever it feels like. The vernix, which is the greasy and white protective substance that covers the skin of the baby, continues to grow, and you may see some of it at the birth of the baby. Myelin, a protective substance, covers and protects the spinal cord. The baby's skin is also now covered with fine hair. Also, the nerve cells for the baby's sense of taste, hearing, sight and smell are developing in its brain. Now the baby is becoming more and more active as the bones continue to harden and the muscles become stronger. And you may feel the baby's movements more often now. But the baby sleeps for around 20 hours a day, and it is possible that the baby becomes active when it is time for mom to relax or sleep. Now don't worry, maybe the baby knows that you are free and it is trying to grab your attention. Well, so do pay good attention to your health, as that will automatically take care of baby's health too. This was all I could tell you about the 19th week development of the baby. 20th week of pregnancy today. Let me first begin by congratulating you again today because you have reached halfway through your pregnancy, and you may be probably feeling the movements of your baby quite often now. Last week in the 19th week, the baby's length was around 6 inches, while this week the baby's length would be around 6.5 inches. Coming to the weight, last week the baby's weight was around 240 grams. This week the baby would weigh around 290 grams. Now the baby's body is slowly growing bigger and the baby's head and body are quite in proportion. Now it is important for you to spend time in peaceful environments because the baby's ears are fully functioning. It is interesting to note that there is no need to use the Doppler now, as the sound of the heartbeat would now be loud enough to be heard on a regular stethoscope. The baby sleeps for an average of 20 hours per day. The face begins to look much more human and eyebrows and eyelashes are continuing to grow. The baby's eyes can move now, although the eyelids are still shut, and the mouth can open and close. It's got working taste buds. The lines on the skin of the baby's fingers have already formed, so we can say that the baby already has its own individual fingerprints. Fingernails and toenails are growing and the baby has a firm hand grip. The baby moves around and may respond to loud noises from the outside world such as music. Lanugo or fine fuzzy hair still covers the body and the hair on the scalp is growing quickly. A creamy protective coating called vernix coats its skin, protecting it from the amniotic fluid. Now, the baby is gulping down several ounces of amniotic fluid each day. A dark green sticky substance called meconium is being produced, which consists of materials ingested while it is in there, like the intestinal cells, lanugo, that is the fuzz-like hair all over its body, mucus, amniotic fluid, bile and water. It can be said that this meconium is the earliest stool of an infant. Now, if we were to have a look at the baby would look wrinkled. Though the baby is putting on weight, it does not have that much fat and it would only fill out just before the last weeks of pregnancy. Being halfway through your pregnancy, the baby's movements may feel like something of a fluttering or a bubbling or slightly shifting movement, something like indigestion. And as weeks go by, it would be possible for you to guess which bump was the hand or the foot. So enjoy yourself figuring out the moves of your baby and also take good care of yourself. That was all about the 20th week development of the baby. I will be soon back in our next video focusing on the 21st week development of the baby. Given below is our email ID. Do send in your queries and feedback to us. Also do subscribe to our channel. Breathe, chill, relax. Thanks for watching.